Tiny chat. I don't want to be on here anymore. I just want to go away. I don't want to use it anymore. I just want you to come back to normal. I sit here waiting for you to find me every fucking day. That's all I've been doing is waiting for you to find me, and you never find me. You never find me. I'm a fucking slave to your shit. I deserve something. I don't want to be on back check. You understand? All day I've been in the living room.
The living room.
You don't even go on kick. You don't even go on kick. You don't even go on kick. He's not what he says he is. And I'm not what he says I am. Have everything backwards. She's in your crib, she's in your crib. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to lose my grandpa. I'm trying to live life. I don't want to be here. I want to be with my family and I want to be with my friends. I don't want to fucking fight for you anymore. I'm a fucking slave to your shit. Cam up every fucking night, hoping you would find me and say something. You don't even go on kick.